This video covers the modification of registers of the RP2040. You need to open the following files. 1. Manipulating registers.s. 2. 15.04 Debug manipulating registers.html. 3. 15.04 Make manipulating registers.html. 4. 15.04 Manipulating registers.html, and for terminal windows. Arrange the windows on the screen, as this example shows. The modification guide is on the Canvas page 15.04. It has one activity to change the values of registers R4 and R5 in the script to a value between 1 and 255. Any updates to the assembly language will result in a build folder used by the debug program being replaced, so you should use Ctrl and Z to end the debug and open OCD programs before going through the modification process. The activity, Step 1. Replace the value #8 on line 5 and the value #3 on line 6 with your chosen values. Save the file. Go to the 15.04 Make manipulating registers.html guide in the browser to get the code to compile the modified script. Click on the line starting cd/home to copy it. Go to the fourth terminal and paste it into the window. Press Enter to access the correct folder. It is important here that the address is changed and an error is not reported, because the next step deletes the build folder and all its contents. The folder is shown here to show this. Go to the guide and click on the line starting RM to copy it. Go to the fourth terminal and paste it into the window. Now, as you can see, the build folder is empty. Go to the guide and click on the line starting CMake to copy it. Go to the fourth terminal and paste it into the window. Press Enter to run the CMake assembler. You can see the new files and folders being added as the program runs. Once the CMake is complete, return to the guide and access the line starting make. Copy the instruction. Go to the fourth terminal and paste it into the window. Press Enter to run the make compiler. As it compiles, more files will be added to the build folder. This includes the .elf file, used for debugging, and the .uf2 file, the native RP2040 binary file. This process takes time to complete. However, it is shortened here. The binaries and debug files are now added. Once the make is complete, you will have updated the build files for the project. This is displayed in the build folder, shown here. Now you can debug the project. This follows the steps in the debug instruction page, so access it in the browser. You need to restart the OpenOCD program. It can be done by either copying the instruction again, or by focusing on the first terminal, using the up arrow on the keyboard to restore the last instruction and pressing Enter. Next, you need to restart the debugger. This can use the link on the guide or using the up arrow to recall the instructions to set the folder. Because I moved on from the debug, I used the up arrow to select the folder. And I copied the debugger program, as can be seen. Pasting it into the terminal and pressing Enter. Next, link the debugger to the OpenOCD program. You should use the guide to copy the instruction. Use Load to load the program. Set a breakpoint at main. Enter C to run the project to the breakpoint. Enter list 1 to view the revised code. You should see your selected values for the registers R4 and R5. Enter C to run the project to the end of your program. Note, the new values are used for the actions, confirming the modification has worked. This completes the modification activity.